You're going to start in a tabletop position, bringing the soles of your feet against the wall. Inhale, and as you exhale, round the back, protracting the shoulders, and start to rock the hips back and forward. As the shoulders come past the wrist, feel the sensation of the fingertips grabbing into the ground as you press the floor away. On the last rock back, walk your feet up the wall, bringing your heels up to about hip level, and then start to bring your shoulders over your wrist, hips over shoulders. You can stay in the tuck position, or you can straighten the legs out into a pike. As you bring the knees back, think of keeping that C curve, and then maybe try to float the feet off as you come forward. Again, press the floor away, wrap the triceps, tuck the tailbone. Keep the bandhas engaged, and then when you're ready, walk your feet down. You want to try without the strap. I'm going to demonstrate that here. Same idea. Without the strap, you need to emphasize straightening the arms, engaging the triceps, and wrapping the shoulders. Rocking forward and back, building some of that muscle memory, fingertips grabbing into the ground. Let's take the hips back. You're going to walk the feet up the wall. Get the feeling of the tuck in the torso, and then take the body forward, shoulders over wrists, hips over shoulders. If you're ready and you want to try to float, you're going to bend the knees deep. Try to bring everything forward. Keep the knees to the chest, float the feet. Knees to chest, feet to butt. Knees to chest, then feet to butt. Holding, and then gently bring the feet back to the wall. Try to do that as softly as possible. Walk your feet down, and then take a child's pose. Really walk the fingertips out, stretching the armpits.